Hello. Thales is widely considered as the first philosopher in the Western tradition. He was known for his contributions in various fields, including mathematics, astronomy, and engineering, but he is most famous for his philosophy, which is often referred to as the philosophy of water. This term is used to describe Thales' belief that water is the fundamental principle, arche, of the universe. Thales believed that everything in the universe was ultimately made of water. He saw water as the source of all life and the driving force behind all natural phenomena. For example, Thales believed that the earth floated on water, that the growth of plants depended on water, and that the stars and planets were formed from water. He also predicted a solar eclipse based on his knowledge of astronomy. Thales' philosophy of water can be seen as an attempt to understand the underlying principles of the universe. He believed that by identifying these principles, it would be possible to gain a deeper understanding of the world and how it worked. This approach was a departure from the previous way of thinking, which relied on myths and supernatural explanations. Thales' practical wisdom can be seen in his engineering projects, such as the construction of canals and the diversion of rivers, which were designed to improve the lives of the people around him. He also advised the city of Miletus on military strategy, which helped them to defeat their enemies. Thales' contribution to philosophy was significant in that he was the first philosopher who tried to explain the natural world without resorting to supernatural explanations. He believed that the universe was orderly and could be understood through observation and reason. Thales' philosophy laid the foundation for the development of Western philosophy, and his influence can be seen in the work of later philosophers, such as Anaximander and Heraclitus. In conclusion, Thales' philosophy of water was an attempt to understand the underlying principles of the universe. He believed that water was the fundamental substance that made up everything in the universe, and his belief was based on his observations of natural phenomena. Thales' practical wisdom can be seen in his engineering projects and military advice. He was the first philosopher who used observation and reason to understand the world around him, and his contributions laid the foundation for Western philosophy.